Good morning, students. So today I am going to discuss motion and motion with a constant velocity. Constant velocity means like your body is going with constant velocity. It is not changing. It remains the same. Or if it is constant, it's mean that it is not going to change its direction. Any body going with constant velocity should remain like it goes only in one direction. If any body has a magnitude of velocity remain same, but if it will take a turn or if it go on a circular track, it means its direction of velocity will change. So that motion cannot be considered as a motion with a constant velocity. So here in this case we have a body that is going with constant velocity and it is going just in the one direction, so that its direction of velocity also not change, and it also goes with the constant magnitude also. So this is example of motion with a constant velocity. So I am here showing you the animation in which a car is going in only one direction with constant velocity. There is a meter there, it shows you the speed, velocity, and the time you taken for the journey. So I'm just starting it. So here we have a car, and this car is going with 18 kilometers per hour in one direction, like its velocity is 18 kilometer per hour. You can easily convert that kilometer per hour to meter per second by multiplying the speed in kilometer or velocity in kilometer per hour with 5 by 18. So like in this case our car is going with a speed of 18 kilometers per hour. You multiply 18 with 5 by 18, so you will get 5. So it is just going with 5 meter per second. And now you can also check that the car travels a distance of 0.053 kilometers and the time taken is 10.5 seconds. So this is going in one direction. This is example of constant velocity. It is going with 5 meter per second in one direction. I hope you understood the concept of constant velocity. Your velocity is not changing in terms of magnitude as well as in terms of direction. It is going only in the one direction. So we just saw one or two cases there, and you can also calculate the time by yourself, but now it is visible in the screen with the help of these meters. We just take another example of the motion there. One x is for the time and other is for the distance or the displacement. Next we have another journey. The car just started another journey, and now the car is going with 36 km per hour, means 10 meter per second. And now just 7.5 seconds, 7.78 seconds. So you just observe the journey here and how much time, how much distance it traveled. It was now the third journey is also being started here. You just check that also. Now it is going with 54 km per hour. You convert the 54 into meters, like multiplied by 5 by 18, you will get 15 meter per second. Now car is going with 15 meter per second, and next journey is also just going to start now. It is going with 72 km per hour, that is 20 meter per second. So now the time get reduced for the journey. Larger the speed or larger the velocity, the time is less. But the thing is that car is going with constant velocity. These all are the different cases. This is our first case. In that case it was going with 18 km per hour, 36 km per hour, 54 km per hour. Now I think it is going with 90 km per hour, or maybe another speed there or velocity there. So you can easily convert these values. I think you understood the concept of motion with a constant velocity. So motion with a constant velocity means your direction does not change, as well as your magnitude of velocity does not change whenever you are going or you are in a journey. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.